A warm welcome to all proud aspirants. Hopefully, this time the audio is clear and audible properly. So, before starting today's video, I will sum up the informations of the previous video. Those are as follows: one, about the entire exam process. How was the military nursing service 2020 exam conducted on 11th September as well as 15th September? Then question paper analysis. The question paper had been of a standard and good level this time, be it any shift of 11th September or 15th September. The question paper level you will see has increased for sure. Then number 3, the cutoff marks. The expected cutoff marks can be from 105 to 120. Then coming to the date of exam results, that can be before November ends. So 2 months from 11 September approximately before November ends, it is going to be published, because this is a computer based exam this time. So the exam results will not take much of time. Now coming to the most important point, that what are you supposed to do further. See, there are 3 options. First is you prepare for the interview, and second is that you prepare for MNS 2021, and third option is that you prepare for both. And it's obvious that the third option is the best option, so proceed accordingly. All right, about the MNS 2021 preparation, I have provided few links and the entire study materials what you are supposed to refer, the list, kind of a list, in my description box of previous video, and I will give it in this video's description box as well. So few videos are already there in the channel, and many videos are going to be uploaded in the channel. And so do positively check the description box of this video, along with the previous year questions of MNS. The mock test questions provided by Indian Army are also important. So question 1, hydraulic press works on the principle of. Options are Hooke's law, Newton's third law of motion, Pascal's law, Archimedes' principle. So the answer is Pascal's law. Next question, the siege of Arcot was a part of which war? So the answer is Second Carnatic War. Now question 3, who among the following passively hold foreign portfolio investment that consists of securities and assets? So the answer is foreign investors. Next question, which of the following does not play an important role for FDI? So the answer is language. All other options, administrative procedures, cost of resources and infrastructures, these are factors, important factors for FDI. Now next question, 5th, which organization provided the benchmark definition of FDI? So the answer is OECD. OECD stands for Organization for Economic Cooperation and Development. Now question 6, the SI unit of inductance is. Answer would be Henry. Bernoulli's theorem is applicable only for So the answer is non-compressible liquid. Now question 8. The minimum distance to hear an echo at 22 degrees Celsius in air from a sound reflecting surface is actually 17.2 meter, and in these options 17 meter is the closest answer, so we are supposed to choose the answer as 17 meter. See, in military nursing services there are few such questions that the answer is not exact, but you are supposed to choose the answer which is closest to the correct answer. Now question number 9. In which of the following is the speed of sound lowest? So the answer is gases. So it goes like gases, then liquids, then solids. So it's the speed of sound is maximum in the solids. Which acid prevents spreading of cancer cells? So the answer is folic acid. Folic acid is also known as vitamin B9. Now question number 11. Which of the following is considered to be human body's master antioxidant? So the answer is glutathione. Question number 12. Which disorder can be cured by feeding a liver? So the answer is rickets. Rickets is a deficiency disorder for which vitamin? Comment below. Question number 13. What is the symbol of Mahavir? So the answer would be lion. Question number 14. Defeat of which dynasty passed away for the establishment of Mauryan dynasty? So the answer would be Nanda dynasty. What is the modern name of Kalinga state conquered by Ashoka? Answer is Odisha or Odisha. So question number 16. Who is the primary deity of Sangam period? Correct answer is Lord Murugan. Which Mauryan king asked Antiochus I of Syria to send him figs, wine and philosophers? So the answer is Bindusar. To which sector does automobile manufacturing industries belong? Correct answer is secondary sector. Question number 19. Which is the only antipodal region to India? Correct answer is Easter Island. In which state are Javadu Hills located? Correct answer is Tamil Nadu. Currency of a country is. So among these four options, the last option is correct. That is, currency of a country is an asset to the public and a liability of the central bank. 23. Whom did India defeat in the Kabaddi World Cup of 2016? So the correct answer is Iran. Question number 24. Which compound released from a food processing unit causes water pollution? Answer is ammonia. Question number 25. In which among the following is not a cause of urbanization in India? So the correct answer is agriculture. means other options, that is infrastructure facility in the urban areas, migration and industrial revolution. These are a cause of urbanization in India. Question number 22. Who was the winner of 2016 Australian Open title? Woman. So the correct answer is Angelique Kerber.